Lily is preparing for a school art show and is organizing bundles of colored paper for different stations. She has 3.5 packs of paper in total, and each display station requires 1 3/4 packs. Assuming she uses all of the paper without any leftovers, how many full display stations can Lily set up? So this is a division problem. We're going to want to do 3.5 divided by 1 3/4 because we are dividing amongst a group. So let's write that out. 3.5 divided by 1 3/4. Now I'm dividing a mixed number by a mixed number. What I want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. How do I turn 3.5 into an improper fraction? Take the 3 that lives out in front and multiply it to the 2 that is your denominator. 3 times 2 is 6. Add that to the numerator, which is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, and write out 7 as your new numerator. Keep the old denominator of 2, and 3.5 becomes 7/2. Bring down the divided by symbol, and we're going to do the same thing with 1 3/4. Multiply the whole number to the denominator. 1 times 4 is 4. Add that to the numerator. 4 plus 3 is 7, and that becomes your new numerator. Your old denominator is going to stay 4. Now I have a fraction divided by a fraction. And when you do that, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. That means keep the first fraction exactly the way it is. Change divided by into multiply, and flip 7/4 into 4/7. Now we are multiplying two fractions together. There's a little rule that says if you multiply two fractions together and one of the numerators is the same as one of the denominators, you can cross those out and turn those into ones. So now I have the fraction 1/2 times 4/1. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now, we're not done yet, because 4/2 is the same as 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So the question is saying, how many full display stations can Lily set up? Well, Lily can set up 2 full display stations. And that is your answer.